Want to organize your processes and automate repetitive work? Baserow can be used to build powerful workflows for project management, customer tracking, content planning, inventory management, and much more. In this guide, I'll show you how to build workflows in Baserow in 2026. Before creating anything, identify the workflow you want to manage. For example, it could be tracking customer leads, managing tasks, processing orders, or organizing content production. Next, create a new database in Baserow. This database will act as the foundation for your workflow and store all related information. Create a table that represents the items moving through your workflow. Depending on your use case, these could be tasks, leads, products, support tickets, or projects. Add fields such as status, priority, owner, due date, notes, and completion date. These fields help track progress and provide visibility into each stage of the workflow. Set up status options that represent different stages of your process. For example, you might use stages like new, in progress, review, and completed. Use filters and custom views to focus on specific parts of your workflow. You can create separate views for pending tasks, completed work, or high-priority items. If needed, connect Baserow to automation platforms such as Make or Zapier. This can help automate notifications, data updates, and other repetitive actions. And that's how to build workflows in Baserow in 2026. By organizing your data, defining stages, and creating clear processes, you can manage work more efficiently and keep projects moving forward. So start with a simple workflow and improve it as your needs grow. Thanks for watching.